Hello, greetings everyone. I am Elmer Labinghisa, 1K Manager of MMM Philippines. I am very happy today and I want to show everyone that on April 19, I requested to get help in the amount of 17,000 pesos. Thank you very much to those participants who provided their donations to me. It comes from my current growth of 30% per month, Mabro, 10,000 pesos. From my referral bonuses, 2,000 pesos. Managerial bonuses, 5,000 pesos. Total of 17,000 pesos. Thank you so much. And because of MMM, I am very thankful and we have a financial freedom. So MMM is a life changer for me. And I hope that MMM will help everyone or every person that joins MMM community. We are a community of people helping people through international donation exchange. Thank you so much to the founder, Mr. Sergey Mabrodi, and thank you so much to everyone. Together, we can change the world.